of the things about the canoes is that each and every canoe has a name. Charlie, I'm here at Indonesia, you understand? I'm here at Indonesia. So I've seen one canoe that has been painted with Kotoko. We painted with Kotoko. Now, now, what kind of man?
No, my was cool.
I want to know there. It's I believe that a paint will Kotoko. I believe Kotoko fan. No one else has Kotoko fan. You are also Kotoko fan. The other Kotoko fan is paint. It's all Kotoko fan. It will be a group some of us fan. But I believe that one for Bassin because another I got into a Kotoko by phone. Yeah, Kotoko, it's all there. They're gonna go to the other Kotoko money. Okay, it's within that, you have a job with you. Now we have your friend 530. I'm also got to go there. Yeah, and I'm all got to. As I am got to go there to go to the it's about I believe that warfare. I'm 530. It's not a branch or I'm being made. More, then I'm leading 530. I am 530. But they are due going to not 25. Say, I do it. They are not grand. They are new and I'm going to man at the main 530. Oh, say, baby, TBA. Oh, TBA. Do one and a year. The only thing you go to. When I'm also 530, there's a protocol. 530 protocol. I'm also because I'm the Rumbo. Yeah, I'm also number 5. Yeah, I'm out there. Song 5. Yes. So, Asante Kotoko. So, Asante Kotoko, one big fan of Adi. You have a big fan here at Indonesia. You know, they have a canoe over here and it's been branded. One, 9, I don't know. Oh, what's that? The owner that's at Yamairo. 9. Oh, Yaman 9. You are Kotoko. Hey, Charlie, oh, Yaman 9. 9 Yamanilla, what brand of Kotoko. And this is crazy. Yeah, 80. They both land Kotoko. You both say, me and go, I'm some hat. Hat span. It's the old one couple. Pretty young wife to the other certain now. About possible, so I put it. Okay. So we are here at Indonesia and we are just exploring here, trying to know what's happening. So you know when you come to Ghana, every canoe has its unique branding, unique name, and a story behind it. They don't just build a canoe, but whenever they build a canoe, they make sure it's dedicated to something. So this canoe is actually dedicated to a football club.